who are isolated but not infected can return to work. Neil Dixon is the Chief Executive of the NHS Confederation and wishes it could have happened sooner.
The key point is that if you don't have testing for staff in place, that increases concern of fear among staff. It keeps people away from work, which is absolutely critical. We need every frontline worker that we possibly can. And I think ramping up testing for staff in this way is absolutely vital.
More from him very shortly. Well, another member of the top team of the Prime Minister has developed symptoms of coronavirus. The Scottish Secretary Alistair Jack says he's now self-isolating. Yesterday, the Prime Minister and the Health Secretary announced they'd been diagnosed with COVID-19. Well, tougher restrictions on movement are now in force in Ireland. One new rule means people can only exercise within 2 kilometres of their home. The Taoiseach, Leo Varadkar, says the measures are designed to protect the public.
These are radical actions